We are going to discuss trigonometry. Before we are going to solve any numerical problem which is based on trigonometry, we know some basic concepts about it. And from this diagram, we know sine theta is equals to P by S, cos theta is equals to B by S, and tan theta is equals to P by B, where P is the perpendicular, P is the base, and H is the hypotenuse. And we also know the some values of sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. If we need to calculate the value of sine 0 degree, then we have 0, 30 degree 1 by 2, 45 1 upon root 2, 60 root 3 by 2, and 91. Similarly, cos 0 degree is equals to 1, cos 30 degree is equals to root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is equals to 1 over root 2, cos 60 degree is equals to 1 over 2, cos 90 is equals to 0, and tan 0 degree is equals to 0, then 30 degree is equals to 1 upon root 3, tan 45 is equals to 1, tan 60 degree is equals to root 3, and tan 90 degree is equals to infinity. We are going to discuss angle of elevation and angle of depression. With reference from this image, we have DB and EC are equal, and DE and BC are also equal. It's a rectangle shape, and A, E, and D are the angle of elevation when we see the tower at the top from the ground. Then the angle made between the top of the tower and the ground is angle of elevation. Similarly, if we see the ground from the top of the tower, then from horizon there is an angle made by the top of the tower, and ground is angle of depression. We are going to solve a numerical problem which is based on trigonometry. In question, a man of 1.8 meter high observes the angle of elevation at the top of tree and found it to be 45 degree. If the distance of the man and the tree is 20 meter, find the height of the tree. According to the question, the height of the man is 1.8 meter. This DE is our ground, and BD or CE. This BD is the height of man, that is 1.8 meter, and we have already discussed that BD is equals to CE and BC is equals to DE. And in question, the distance between the tree, this is the AE is the tree, and the distance between the tree and man is 20 meter, and the man observes the height or see the height of the tree, that is BA, making an elevation angle that is 45 degree. Then we need to calculate the height of the tree. In question, we need to calculate the height of the tree, and we have already given that height of the man, that is 1.8, and this height of man PT is equals to CE, that is 1.8, and this remaining portion we suppose X meter. that is AE is the height of the tree, and we have AC plus CE, that is X plus 128 meter. And we have already given this is the base and this is the perpendicular. With base and perpendicular relation, we use 10 45 degree is equals to perpendicular base, that is perpendicular x meter and base 20 meter, and we solve this, then we get the value of x is equals to 20 meter. Hence the height of the tree AE is equals to x plus 1.8 meter is equals to 20 plus 1.8 is equals to 21.8 meter is the total height of the tree. We are going to solve another numerical problem which is based on trigonometry. In question, a tree 18-meter high is broken by the wind so that its top touches the ground and makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Find the length of the broken part of the tree. We get more clear by observing this diagram. We have given in question that is height of the tree AB is equal to 18 meter. This is the AB is the height of the tree, total height of the tree, and it is 18 meter. And X is the broken part of the tree, that is AB is equals to DC is the broken part of the tree which touches the ground by making an angle of DCB is equals to 30 degree, and the remaining part of the tree, that is dB is equals to 18 minus x meter. We have given height of the tree AB is equals to 18 meter, broken part of the tree AB, AD is equals to DC is equals to x meter, height of remaining part of the tree BD is equals to 18 minus x meter, angle of made by broken tree angle DCB is equals to 30 degree. Now in right angle triangle DBC we use sine because we have given this is the hypotenuse and this is the perpendicular. So 18 sine 30 degree is equals to 18 minus x. This 18 minus x is the perpendicular and this x is the hypotenuse. Then we have sine 30 degree is equals to 1 upon 2 is equals to 18 minus x, and this x multiplies this 1 and this 2 multiplies 18 minus x. This is the cross multiplying, and we have x is equal to 36 minus 2x, and we get the variables and separate the constant and variables, that is 3x is equal to 36, x is equal to 36 divided by 3 is equals to 12 meter. This is the length of broken part of the tree. X is equals to 12 meter. We are going to solve another numerical problem which is based on trigonometry. In question, the distance between a tower and a house is 1/3 of the height of the tower. If the height of the tower is 60 meter and the angle of depression from the top of the tower to the house is 45 degree, find the height of the house. This is the diagram where AB is the height of the tower, that is 60 meter, and DE is equals to BC is the height of the house, and BE is equal to CD is the distance between house and tower. In question, we have the distance between house and tower is the 1/3 of the height of the tower. That is BE is equals to CD is equals to 1/3 of height of the tower into 60. We have the distance between house and tower is equals to 20 meter. And this is the height of the tower, 60 meter. Angle of depression we have already given in question that if we see the top of the tower to the house, then made an angle that is FAD. 45 degree. This is the depression angle, and by alternate angle ADC is also 45 degree, and this BC and DE also equal. In right angle triangle ACD, tan 45 degree is equals to AC upon 20. This AC is the perpendicular and this CD is the base, where this value of CD is equals to 20 meter. Then AC is equals to 20 meter. Now height of house CB is equals to DE is equals to AB minus AC. That is 60 minus 20 is equals to 40 meter is the height of the house. In this question, a tree 25 meter is just in the corner of the ground of a school. A man of height 1.2 meter is sitting on another corner of the ground. The distance between the man and the tree is 23.8 meter. Then what is the angle of elevation at the top of the tree made by the man? We get more clear by draw this picture. AB is the height of the tree, that is 25 meter, and 1.2 meter is the height of the man, which is in the another corner of the ground. And the distance between the tree and the man is 23.8 meter, which is equals to BC is equals to DE and DB is equals to EC. Then we need to know the value of AD, because in question we are going to calculate the angle of elevation, that is theta. This angle AED. Then AD is equals to AB minus DB, and from this relation we get 25 minus 1.2 is equals to 23.8 meter. The value of AD is also 23.8 meter. Height of the man DB is equals to EC is equals to 1.2 meter. Distance between man and tree DE is equals to BC is equals to 23.8 meter. Angle of elevation angle AED is equals to theta in right angle triangle, that is ADE. We have tan theta is equals to perpendicular base, that is AD upon DE, where the value of AD is 23.8 meter and the value of DE is also 23.8 meter. Then tan theta is equals to 1. Theta is equals to tan inverse 1 is equals to 45 degree. This is the angle of elevation.